Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. So if this is what you are looking for, kindly stick around. We are very lovely people in this community, so we would love to have you. Kindly click on the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering all your questions about how to become a beauty creator, the challenges and the reward of being a beauty creator. So of course, as the title suggests, the first question: how do I start a beauty and lifestyle page? Right now, we have like a lot of platforms where you can express yourself. You can use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat. You just need to pick one of these or even all of it if you have the capacity. Create a page, choose a name, choose what you are going to be doing. Okay, I'm going to be creating a content about natural hair. I'm going to be creating content about lips or lip combos, like and my lifestyle. So you don't necessarily have to niche down, but if you don't want stress, you can also like niche down. But I think personally you don't really need to box yourself, because as time goes on you begin to experience like you want to do like a lot of things, and you want to be more creative, so you don't really want to box yourself. And why I said you don't really want to box yourself is because of brand deals, because at the end of the day, all of this, you are looking for a way to monetize yourself. So if you have a brand, if you really niche down a lot, you are limiting how many brands you are going to, or the potential brands that are going to be reaching out to you, or the people that are willing to work with you. Because if all you do is to just do uh a lip tutorial, you are actually likely going to be working with people who make lip products. So you can imagine you do sometimes do travel vlogs, you do hairstyling, you do skincare. You are expanding how many brands you are liable or you have potential of working with. So when you are starting out, I want you to think about that, and infuse it into how you plan or how you start your content. So what do you need to be a beauty creator? I believe personally that everybody is beautiful. You just need to find that unique feature that is just for you, and you enhance it and you're confident in yourself. So I believe whether you have the face card or not, or what people call face card or not, what you need is confidence. You need your face, you need your hair, you need your skin, you need a good camera. Honestly, I'm not going to lie to you. I know people say start with what you have, but when it comes to beauty content, honestly, you need a good you need a good camera, and you need a good lighting. I mean, you can start with what you, of course, when I started, I don't have, all the gadgets. I mean, right now, I'm still in a very, very formative stage of my content creation, but I've seen that your content gets more visibility, especially as a beauty creator, when your it's aesthetically pleasing. Why? Is because this niche is actually saturated. I'm not going to lie. Everybody want to show us what they do with their hair. Everybody want to show us what they do with their face. Everybody want to tell us, I went to the market, I cooked this food and all of that. So it's a very big disadvantage if you don't have uh you know if your video is not pleasing to watch, like visually. So I mean, I'm not discouraging you. You can start with what you have. I'm just telling you that eventually you are going to see that you need this. So, like I said earlier, this niche is actually saturated, but how do you stand out? Yes, you can actually stand out by infusing your personality into your content. Not No other person in this world is like you. No other person in this world speaks exactly the way you speak, or have exactly your kind of eyes, or have exactly your kind of vibe. just make sure that you are not faking it. Just make sure that how you're doing your voiceovers, how you're looking in your video, people can actually connect with who you are, such that at the end of the day, they were able to see your growth, they were able to watch you closely and feel close to you. Let them know I speak Yoruba, I speak Higo, I speak Hausa, I go to the kind of food I eat. I mean, let people be able to connect with you on a personal. Oh, I'm an introvert, I'm an extrovert, I like this kind of earrings, and just infuse your personality into what you do or your video or your tutorials. You don't have to fake it. Like you don't have to like me now. I'm not soft spoken. So if anytime you see me speaking very softly in my video, I must be very tired. I must be maybe I'm just forcing myself to make that video. So that is who I am, and I'm not going to just because somebody else is doing it like this. So maybe that's how I'm supposed to do it. This is how I speak, and I speak like that in my video, and people already know that okay, this is who Gloria is. So not going to now say I'm going to be rash or I'm going to be very energetic in my videos because that's what that's what is going to attract people. And that's what a lot of people are doing. I don't have the energy to be like that in my video. So I mean, let your personality show in your video. That is one way, one very important way I know you can stand out in this niche. Trust me, there is plenty to go around. I know people say, oh, it's very saturated, but I'm telling you, if you start making your content today and you are still in beauty and lifestyle, people are going to watch you. Trust me, people are going to watch you. So, do you need a professional camera to start a beauty content? And no, you don't need a professional camera. As a matter of fact, I'm making this video with my phone. I don't know what you think about the quality, but right now I think I'm doing well. Of course, this is not where I'm going, but this is where I am right now, and you are watching me. So, all right, so you don't necessarily need a professional camera. You can really start with your phone, and if you have an Android phone that is very good, and I mean there are Android phones that their camera are very good, you can start with that. So no, you don't need a professional camera. What apps do I use to edit and create my content? I record with my iPhone camera, and people use apps to record their video. Sometimes people use TikTok camera, sometimes use Instagram camera, sometimes people use Instagram camera, sorry. Sometimes people use different kind of editing this thing, but I use my iPhone because honestly I don't want to go through the stress of having to use Snapchat to record, save it and edit it. No, please. I use my iPhone camera, but I use CapCut. I was using CapCut to edit my videos sometime because it has that smooth effect where I can smoothen out my skin when I'm editing um makeup video. But right now, CapCut has really taken their ọjẹ wọn ti ga díẹ̀, so wọ́n ti gbé ara wọn lọ sí high level. So now if you want to use CapCut, some basic features you have to pay for them. So I eventually ditch them for InShot. So right now I edit my video with InShot. Although InShot doesn't have that smoothing effect, but then I'm still managing them pending the time I get a an app that can actually do that. But for my hair content, I use InShot to edit them, and they are very good. I mean, I love it. Um, I use face. Hold on, let me check. I use Facetune to edit my pictures because Facetune cannot edit videos. So I use Facetune to edit my pictures for thumbnails, especially if it's a makeup video. Now let me tell you why. See, people love things to be exaggerated, and you that you're trying to be very natural and true, people will not watch your video, they will not click on your video. So you have to sometimes exaggerate some of this effect with Facetune or any other editing app that you know. So that is why, okay, maybe you add the lashes, you just want it to be darker, you want your skin to be smoother, you want your blush to be blush, yeah. Whatever. So yeah, I mean it's a very good app. I've been using it a lot, and sometimes I also use it to just edit my hair pictures too for my thumbnail. I use InShot to also collage and edit my or make my thumbnails. I use Canva majorly to edit, I mean to design my thumbnails. So I've mentioned Canva, InShot, CapCut, Facetune. There was a time I used Beauty app, but honestly that app is too heavy for my phone, so I had to delete it. As of now, I think those are the apps I use for my content creation, and for my analytics I use VidIQ and yeah, the YouTube Studio for my analytics, and ChatGPT. So yes, I use ChatGPT to research my SEO, that is keywords that are trending, because honestly your video is not going to get impression if you don't add those tags. You need to add the tags in your video. I mean, those are the mistakes I made when I really started out. Like, those tags are really important. If it's possible, pack all the 500 tags on YouTube. I'm talking about YouTube right now. So use ChatGPT, VidIQ to research your keywords and put them there. Put them in your description, put them in your title. That's how you get impression. Then you create a very, very, very good thumbnail, and that is what is going to make people click your content, because when YouTube show your video to people, that is when you get impression. But if they don't click on that video, then you don't get the views. So your thumbnail and your title is what's going to make people to click on your video. Have I given you people tips or not? Some people want to create a lifestyle content without showing their face. Yes, you can create a lifestyle content without showing your face, but beauty content without showing your face, I don't think so. Except you are going to be doing like a nail videos or lip videos or eyes videos. Okay, maybe you may not need to show your face like that. Maybe if you are doing your eyebrow or your hair, you can just be showing us your hair and not show us your face. It's possible. Depends on your skill. So should you create a long form or short form content? Honestly, whatever works for you. Short form content is going to get you subscriber fast, but you are not going to get watch hours. So if you are planning to monetize or you want to get monetized very early, please make long form videos. Right now I'm still not monetized, so I'm not even going to be talking about the monetization aspect of content creation, because I don't think I'm in the position to talk about that as of now. I got serious about content creation up to not up to a year. Yes, I mean I've been creating content before, but I wasn't serious. But I got really serious not up to a year. I think it's about 8 months, and I've not started earning on content creation. So I don't think I'm in the position to talk about that. So I did been all those time I've been posting short form content on my channel. I had put my energy in making long form content, I would have been monetized by now. But though I was able to get my subscriber fast, at least right now we are in 1600 in 8 months. I mean, that's kind of good. Right? So yeah, create long form content if you want to monetize early. Create short form content if you want subscribers. So but if you can do both together, honestly I'm rooting for you. But if you are just starting out, I think you're going to burn out a lot, except you don't have any other thing that you're doing that is just content creation. So that's really my honest opinion. So use. You can use a ring light. You can use a LED light. Right now, I'm using a LED light, but honestly, I'm going to advise that you use a ring light, because it's going to help to capture every part of your video. For me now, you can see that this side is the only brightened part of my video. That's because I'm using a LED light, which I can only place on the side. If it's a ring light, it will like lighten up all my environment. So yeah, I would really advise that you use a ring light as a beginner. How do you handle hate comments or negative comments? Right, my sister, my brother, you ignore them. When I started making content, my face, I don't even care. You guys know I have acne. If you are here to stay, stay. If you are not here to stay, please get out. I don't have energy. So if all you want to say is negative comments, I'm going to ignore you. I'm not going to respond. Don't just let it get to you, because when you think about it, these people will drop whatever it is they want to say, and they will go ahead and eat shawarma and continue their own life. You are the one that will be saying, I mean, thinking about it. There was a time I posted a short form video that had like maybe 93,000 views on YouTube here. Come and see the negative comments. You guys can go ahead and check it on my video. At some point I was responding to some people. At some point I was like, okay, no. And it's all about their perspective, because the way they say, oh, this work is not nice, this work is this work is that. And I posted another video of the same work, and they were like, oh, this is so good. You can see how people's behavior can just change like that. So you really don't have to think so much about it, because honestly it is not real. As far as I'm concerned. And if you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every of our long form video. And guys, here is the verse of the day. So guys, here's the reason why I don't like making talking head videos. Right now my mouth is already paining me, so I think I'm going to stop this video here and continue in another video. If you guys want me to talk more about content creation and my journey so far, or you have any question, kindly put it in the comment section. You know that I don't ghost your comments, guys. I'm going to respond either with a video or immediately with a comment. And yes guys, I will make sure that I see you in my next one, guys. I'm not going to lie to you, I'm just recovering from malaria right now. You guys have not been posting. I don't know if you miss me, but yeah, I'm better now, and hopefully I'll be giving you content back to back. Okay, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.